In this video, we will discuss global and local variables. In JavaScript, we have two scopes, global scope and local scope. Global scope can be used anywhere in the code. That is, if we have defined it once, we can use it anywhere in the code. Local variables are those which are only used within a function, and we can access them within a function. We cannot access them outside a function. Let's look at its example. For example, let result. Here result is globally defined. It's variable. So here we will take a function which we will name multiply, and we will pass two values in it, value 1 and value 2. Here I have passed two values, and in it what we will do is, in the same result, we will save it, the result of value 1 and value 2. Value 1 multiplied by value 2. I'll get the answer of it in here, and I'll alert it also. Result is, and we will concact it also. We have concatted it and with the value plus operator. And the result is here, and we will display it as well. Document.writeValue is its string. So over here it will be value is, and over here we will write the result. And what we will do after this is we'll access it again, and I've pasted it. It's been copy pasted. Value after function, and we will message it global value over here. And what we'll do now is hold this function multiply 2 and 3. What is the answer of 2 by 3? 6. So we'll get 6 in the result. The value will be 6 in global also. So 2 is stored in value 1 and 3 is stored in value 2. 2 and 3 equals to 6. So our result is global at the moment, and it will go on like this. So now if I run it, if I run it, the value result is 6. Value is 6, global is 6. Global value is 6, and at the same time we will tell it to move it to the next line so that the readability is clearer. We will check it again. Result is 6. We have pressed OK. Value is 6, global value is 6. This was the concept of global value. That is, whenever we define variable, I have accessed it in function and outside of function as well. Now I will define it only in function. I will let over here, and it will be treated locally. I won't get a value here. So we will run it again. The value is 6. I do have the value, global value, because I have the function here only, and I can only use it within function.